Hi guys, hope you're doing well. In today's lecture, I'm going to explain that if you want to have some random data on your page on different page loads, for example, on sometime when I load my page, I want this heading to be here, and sometime I want to have some other heading here. So basically, I want two headings to replace each other on some random basis on every page load. So basically, here is the heading, and then on page refresh, I want to change this heading to some with some other one. So you can see now this is the this is another heading. So how you can achieve this result that you want to change the data on some random basis. So let's move to the Webflow and let's talk about the structure. So basically the structure is very important. Be careful about the classes. So basically these are the this is the content with the name of slider content. Basically these are the two contents. First slider content has this heading, this paragraph, and the buttons, and the second slider content has this paragraph and this heading. So basically what I basically want that on page load, these two headings will replace each other on some random basis. So how you can achieve this result? There are a few lines of code, so be careful about this class name because this class name will be used in our custom code. So let's move to the custom code, and here it is. So basically this is the few lines of code. Here on window load, here is window load. I have random hide show function, and what will be actually going on in random hide function, that there is some random number is generating by using the math random function, and then on the basis of that number, these slider content. So basically this is the same name of the class of that element which I want to hide or display on some random basis. So basically on some random basis, this slider content will be displayed or hide on the basis of this random number. So basically I am window on load, on every load, this function will be executed and it will basically generate this result. So just I will provide this code in my description box. You just copy and paste in your Webflow and see the result. So basically after doing this, this is the publish link, and on page refresh you can see and that these two headings will be replaced with each other on some random basis, or not on every page load. It's just some random function that sometime I want this heading and on some other time I want this heading. So that's all. Hope you like the concept, hope you like the video. Please do subscribe, share, and comment on my channel. Thank you.